salary employee in a department using Java string. So let's get started now. So let's say we have a list of employee, each working in a different department with different salary. Our goal is to find the employee who has the highest salary in each department. First, we define employee class with the field like ID, name, department, and salary. Will also create a constructor greater than override this toString method to print a employee details nicely. So now let's create a sample list of employees. Some work in HR, some in IT, and others in finance. We'll add them using arrays as a list. So here's come the main part. We will use stream method on the employee list and apply collected or groupingBy to group them by the departments. And inside that we use collector.maxBy with a comparator on salary to get the highest per employee for group. maxBy return optional, so we use RLs null to safely extract the employee. Finally, we print the department and then highest per employee in each department. When we run this code, we get output showing the top per employee in each department. To summarize, we use Java Stream API with groupingBy and maxBy to solve this real-time problem. If this helps you, please like, share, and subscribe.